Well, the system that moved in last night, as you remember, produced rain at the start. It was quite mild yesterday, and some of that warmth held over until after midnight, so that the high today occurred about 1 o'clock in the morning. We hit 40 degrees at BWI Marshall, 30 degrees for the low so far. That was just after noon this afternoon. And we're going to be holding in the upper 20s, mid-20s, northern suburbs to around 30. So with the setting sun, colder temperatures, the light snow in the area will have a tendency to stick a little more tonight. So be on the lookout for some slippery spots and maybe even a burst of heavier snow in a few locations. Notice it's 23 up at Stewartstown in PA, so it's getting cold up there, where they've had a little more snow up in Pennsylvania. 24 in Parkton, 27 now in Westminster, 20s out west as well. And again, even though you don't see the sunshine on a cloudy day, some of that solar radiation does get through, and it does help to melt things on the pavement and on the sidewalks. But without that tonight, it'll be a little more tendency for some snow, even if it's light, to accumulate a bit. Winter storm warning in western Allegheny County, the rest of the state under a winter weather advisory. Then it's a warning up toward Philly and a blizzard warning as you head a little farther north and east through Long Island up into southern New England. So we're definitely on the southwest edge of all this. It's pretty much moving through as expected, as far as the Clipper leaving its snow in the mountains and the coastal storm taking its snow to southern New England. And we're in between, where we're getting these periods of light snow or snow showers tracking through. Looks like some snow in northern Hartford now, a little bit of snow over in Queen Anne's County, over toward Howard County, and down toward D.C., and even some rain in the warmer air down on the lower eastern shore. But you can see this western system here producing snow in Pittsburgh down into West Virginia, and now the coastal storm taking its snow up to southern New England. And so we're in between. We're just kind of getting the leftovers from both of those systems, and that's why we're not expecting a whole bunch of snow, but occasional snow. And there may be even a briefly heavier snow shower tonight that would reduce visibility and quickly coat the ground with another inch or two in some spots. And we're going to notice it becoming breezy as that coastal storm, the blizzard, starts to crank up. It will buffet us with the wind, but it'll take the snow up here. And I think even areas to the south of New York City are not going to get hit the hardest. But as you get out to the eastern tip of Long Island, then through Rhode Island and up to Boston, and especially Cape Cod, they are going to get hit hard with a major storm that shows up very nicely on our satellite imagery. Dry slot working in on the east side of it. Probably some thunder out here with this storm as it's starting to crank up. And the snow is already moving inland across New England. This storm is just going to get stronger as it passes Cape Cod tomorrow. But notice the other side of the nation. While we're dealing with a blizzard in New England and cold, snowy conditions here, it's 71 degrees in Denver right now. 66 all the way up to Great Falls, Montana. But our weather pattern is not going to come out of there. We're going to continue to see patches of cool air come down out of Canada and sweep through the eastern United States, so the temperatures stay chilly. There's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Boston getting hammered by the offshore blizzard. We just have a few leftover flurries. It'll be windy and cold, and by the time we get into Wednesday, expecting lots and lots of sunshine, although, again, temperatures will stay a little on the chilly side. So another inch or two in some spots with periods of snow overnight tonight, and then skies will be mostly cloudy tomorrow. Gusty northwest winds and highs of 34 to 39 degrees, a little below the normal for this time of year. Wednesday's a sunny day. Thursday, a chance for rain or snow in the afternoon, and a few flurries Friday, turning colder next weekend.